Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create the splash screen in MIT App Inventor app. And here we are going to use the AI tool to design our screen. So first of all, click on new project and my project name is splash screen. And whenever someone open our app, so that screen will display for a 2 and 3 seconds. Okay, automatically that screen should hide and our main app should open. So first of all, I'm going to use here the layout. Okay, so here you can see the layout option and just use the vertical arrangement like this and make this width and height as fill parent like this. So this is our main splash screen. Okay, and I'm going to create the main screen also. I'm going to use here the another screen like this one, and I'm going to make that one is also the fill parent like this. Okay, like this. So this is our the main screen. So I'm going to use here one label like this, and I just say here this is our main screen. I'm going to make that attached to the center like it. So this is our main screen. Now I need to hide that screen for now because first we need to display the splash screen for 4 seconds. Now how we can design it? I'm going to use here the web view. Okay. So we can see this, the web view, just drag and drop it and make sure that should be height and width is fill parent. Now I need to use here one HTML file. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the DeepSeek and I just need to stay here, create a simple snake game splash screen, okay, that have loader and mobile responsive and that should look attractive. Single HTML, JS, CSS file. That's it. Now that will create us. So let's wait some second. Let me just run this HTML. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, you can see in that code that is loading the another file. Okay, after the screen. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna not redirect that. Okay, so what I'll do is first let's create a VS Code. Open the VS Code, new file, paste that code, and make sure after the timeout we are not gonna redirect to user to anywhere. So let's delete that code from here. Okay, just save it and just splash.html. I'm going to save that in a desktop. Just save it. And how that will look like this one. Fantastic. Always. Now, what I need to do here, I just need to upload that file in my MIT App Inventor app. Okay. And like this. So I'm going to just click on upload file, click on choose file, go to the desktop, splash.html. Okay. And here I need to use the URL. Okay. So it's simply http :/localhost /single and my file name is, we all know that, splash.html. Okay, this is the HTML file. Now we need to hide this vertical arrangement we need to hide after 3 seconds or 2 seconds. So we are going to use here the timer. So we can see is the just use the sensor here like this. This is the clock. Just we need to just drag and drop it like this. Okay. And we just need to use the time interval is around 3 seconds. Okay. And timer always not fired. Okay. Make sure that should be fired only once. Go to the block here. And what we need to do here, when the clock is fired, okay, after 3 seconds, we need to hide it. So I'm going to just use here. This is our vertical arrangement. So set visible. Okay. Vertical arrangement and make it pause. Whenever our screen will load, okay, so our splash screen will load here, and after the 3 seconds, or that vertical arrangement will hide. But we need to do one thing: we need to enable. We need to visible true to the or vertical arrangement too, like this. Okay, and that timer will fire in 3 seconds. So let me just show you how this will work. You can see this is our splash screen. And after 3 seconds, this is our main screen. So this is really very amazing app that we have created using MIT App Inventor and the DeepSeek AI. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.